Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Our today's topic is forming numbers. We already know how to form two-digit numbers from the given digits. Today, we are going to learn the formation of three-digit numbers from the given digits. Open your book, page number 64. Put today's date. Read the first question. Form all possible three-digit numbers using the following digits. A part. Here the given digits are 5, 2 and 7. Forming three-digit number means the number with 100, tens and ones places. Remember children, to form the smallest number from the given digits, write the digit in ascending order, that is from smallest to greatest. And to form the greatest number from given digits, write the digit in descending order, that is from greatest to the smallest. By taking each digit once at hundreds place, we can form different numbers. Let's start by taking the smallest digit at hundreds place. Here, the smallest digit is 2. We will write 2 at hundreds place. Now, after this, arrange the other two digits, that is 5 and 7 at tens and ones place. Thus, the number formed is 257. Now, by interchanging the digit at tens and ones place, we can form the other number. Here, the given digit at tens and ones place are 5 and 7. When we interchange these digits, a new number formed is 275. Now, we can form other new number by taking 5 in the hundreds column. Write 5 in the hundreds place. After this, arrange the other two digits, that is 2 and 7 at tens and ones place. Write 2 in the tens column and 7 in the ones column. Thus, the number formed is 527. Now, to form the other number, interchange the digit at tens and ones place. Here, the digit at tens and ones place are 2 and 7. Now, we will write 7 in the tens column and 2 in the ones column. Thus, the number formed will be 572. Now, by taking the digit 7 in the hundreds column, we will write 7 in the hundreds place. Now, arrange the remaining digit, that is 5 and 2 at tens and ones place. Write 5 under tens column and 2 under ones column. Thus, the number formed is 752. Now, we will interchange the digit at tens and ones place. Here, the digit at tens and ones place are 5 and 2. By interchanging the digit, we will write 5 in the ones column and 2 in the tens column. Thus, the number formed will be 725. As you can see, by arranging the three different digits, we can form 6 different numbers. Thus, the number formed are 257, 275, 527, 572, 752 and 725. Here, the smallest number formed is 257 and the greatest number is 752. Now, see the C part. Here, the given digits are 3, 0 and 8. Remember, whenever there is a 0 in the given digits, we cannot write 0 in the hundreds place, as the number will then become a two-digit number. Therefore, we will take 3 in the hundreds column After this, we will arrange the remaining two digits, that is 0 and 8 at tens and ones place. Write 0 at tens place and 8 at ones place. Thus, the number formed is 308. To form the other number, we will interchange the digit at tens and ones place. Here, the digit at tens and ones place are 0 and 8. By interchanging, we will write 0 at ones place and 8 at tens place. Thus, the new number formed is 380. Let us form the other two numbers by taking 8 in the hundreds column. After this, arrange the other two digits, that is 0 and 3 at tens and ones place. We will write 0 at tens place and 3 at ones place. Thus, the number formed is 803. Now, we will interchange the digit at tens and ones place. By interchanging the digit, we will write 3 at tens place and 0 at ones place. Thus, the new number formed is 830. Thus, the numbers formed are 308, 380, 803 and 830. Here, the smallest number is 308 and the greatest number is 830. Remember, with one of the digit 0, we can form only 4 different numbers. Now, you will do the remaining part of this question in your book and check your answer from the given picture. Read the second question. Form the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers using the following digits. See the A part. Here the given digits are 3, 7 and 5. You have to form the greatest number. Greatest number means you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Means from greatest to the smallest. And to form the smallest number, you have to arrange the digits in the ascending order. That is from smallest to the greatest. Here, to form the greatest number, write the greatest digit first. That is 7. Then the number smaller than 7 is 5. Then the number smaller than 5 is 3. Thus, the greatest number formed is 753. Now, to form the smallest number, we will write the smallest digit first, that is 3. Then the number greater than 3 is 5 and the number greater than 5 is 7. Thus, the number formed is 357. Now, you will do the remaining part of this question and check your answer from the given picture.